time signature. This symbol will tell you how many beats do you have in each one of those boxes that we know. And we know that boxes are not really called boxes, they are called measures. You put, how many beats do you put in each measure? Now let me explain you why does that mean 4, 4. The top line, the 4, tells you how many beats will be in each one of those boxes, of those measures. The bottom one, this 4 stands for quarter note. You know that quarter means 4. So this 4 stands for quarter note. That means that the quarter note will take 1 beat. There will be 4 quarter notes. There will be 4 beats in each one of those measures. Now, why is that important to know if there are 4 or 3 or 2 beats in a measure? Because it makes you feel music different. If you have 4 beats in a measure, it will sound like this. Count with me to 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beat 1 is always strong, so count it strong with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the one, tap it on your knees and then clap the other ones. Do it with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Feel how it feels. So these are 4 beats in a measure. You're dividing music in 4. Now, if you see the 3 beats in a measure, if you see this one, now we will count only up to 3. Remember, 1 is strong, so count with me like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Do this with me. Can you feel how this makes you feel different? The music will sound different, will feel different. And what if you see 2 beats in a measure? 2 beats. 2, and the 4 stands for quarter notes. So 2 beats in a measure. Let's count to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So these ones tell you how we are organizing our music. You can have 4, you can have 3, you can have 2 beats in each measure. There's no such a thing as 1 beat in a measure. That doesn't exist. There are 5, 6, and 7, but those are difficult, so we will not talk about them now. Just 4, 3, or 2 beats in a measure. Now let's make sure we remember all the rhythms that we know. Let's talk about these ones first. So see if you can say the names before me. Who's this one? Quarter note. How many beats does it take? 1. This is the quarter note. When they put this 4 stands for quarter note. That means the quarter note takes 1 beat. 1 beat. And this one is rest. Quarter rest. This beat takes 1 beat. Then we have these ones. These are 2 eighth notes. 2 eighth notes together take 1 beat. If you just see this one, 1 eighth note by itself, just a run, just 1 eighth note by itself. How much will it take? Just half of the beat, just half of the beat. And this one is an eighth rest. It's a little rest that just takes half of the beat. Why would you have such a little one? Because sometimes instead of saying run, run, you will say run, run. This is what I call my hiccup rhythm. Run, run, run. So eighth note, eighth rest. Who are this one? Half note. The half note, how many beats does it take? 2 beats. And if you see this one, this is a half rest. Half note, half rest. You have to be quiet for 2 beats. It kind of looks like a hat. If it looks like a hat, it's a half rest. And this one is a whole note. It takes 4 beats. And this one is a whole rest. You have to be quiet for 4 beats. It looks like there's a hole in the ground, like somebody's walking, la 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 la. Oops, I fell on the hole. So this is a whole rest. Whole note, whole rest. Great.